Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and beginner-friendly demo of Salesforce CRM. If you are new to Salesforce, this video will walk you through the basics from logging in to managing leads, contracts, and your sales pipeline. By the end, you will now by the end you will know how to get around the dashboard, track customer data, and boost your sales process using Salesforce. Now, what is Salesforce? Salesforce is one of the world's most popular CRMs or customer relationship management systems. It helps it helps businesses of all sizes track customer interactions, sales opportunities, marketing activities, and support requests all in one place. It's code based, scalable, and used by companies from startups to large enterprises. Once you log into Salesforce, you land on your dashboard. You will see important information like recent activity, leads, and opportunities, tasks, and reminders, charts showing sales performance. The navigation bar at the top lets you access objects like leads, contacts, accounts, opportunities, and reports. So, log into your Salesforce account, then log into your account. If you have already an account, just click login. Or if you are new, click try for free. Now enter your first and last name, job title, like handmade maker, then click next. Select your employee's number, country, and then click next. Then company name, then enter your phone number, email address, and check the box and click submit. Then click I am a human, then confirm. And that's your setup process. Once your lead shows interest, you can convert them into a contact and opportunity. From your dashboard, go to the lead, then click convert. Wait a minute, then click Salesforce. Now enter your username and password or log in with your email address. Or start your free trial and next, submit, and follow the process. Now head over to your dashboard. Wait a few minutes for loading. Now go to your email inbox. and check your email like that. Now log into your account with your username and password. Then go to leads. Then click convert. Salesforce will create a contact, an account, and a new opportunity tied to that lead. Now your sales team can start tracking the deal's progress. Click on opportunities to see your sales pipeline. Now I'm showing the Salesforce dashboard. It's looked like that. Go to opportunities to see your sales pipeline. You can track each deal through stages like prospecting, proposal, negotiation, and closed on. Now go to email inbox and verify your email. Click verify account, then reset password and follow the process. From the dashboard, to stay organized, you can assign tasks yourself or your team. Go to a contact or opportunity, click on add a task, choose the task type, due date, and notes. Salesforce will remind you on your dashboard when it's due. Salesforce offers powerful built-in reports. Go to the reports tab from upper right corner like that and choose a template like leads by source or opportunities by stage. Just follow my instruction. You can customize filters, visualize data with charts, and share reports with your team. And that's your beginner guide to Salesforce CRM. You have learned how to manage leads, track deals, and keep your sales process flowing. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment below if you want tutorials on Salesforce automation, email campaigns, or custom dashboards. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.